Market overview and portfolio breakdown, ladies and gentlemen. We're back in action today. Looking at the Forex market, we've had so much success over the last, I would say, a month or so. We've been nailing them left and right. Getting out of the position on the New Zealand Canadian, that's the good news of the day today, I guess. Highlight of the day, price actions making contact with our target 82.11. We're out. That's it. Done with this one. Pushed it to the side. Now we're looking at three active positions that we have. Aussie Canadian also doing well today. Fired off the second trade, doubling up our position size here. Also dropping the stop from 92 to 92.70 to 92.50. Then there's the New Zealand Swiss franc, which I talked a lot about today in the main section, Forex market. Check it out. This one is really closing in on target. Only 50 pip to go. And we started back in 54.50. So that was quite a ride. But yeah, still two trades in and still some distance to cover. Euro Swiss franc. Take a look at this lovely turnaround. Right, and we called it out right at the bottom. Even pulled the trigger. So we expect price action to hit 97.35 quickly in the next literally 24 to 48 hours. And later down the road, start to break out and start to march forward towards the big resistance level of 99.34. That's our estimation on this situation here. That's the Forex market, right? Let's quickly bounce to my favorite market, which is the cryptocurrency market. Here, guys, we've been killing it left and right. Decided to get rid of the Ethereum today. Well, it was yesterday at the last stage of the day, last part of the day. Price action was literally trading at 350. Sorry. 35.50. So it was super close to the target, and then we saw pricing starts to pull back a little bit. It was as close. It was a high. The highest high was 35.62. That's like 6 points, right? That's a fraction of, you can't even see it here. The gap, it looks like it's touching. But yeah, it was very close, and whenever I see that kind of situation where pricing is so close to the target, I just close it out. What's the point, right? What's the point? Fighting over a fraction of a point? Nope, that's not our style. So we closed it out, and you can see what happened. Now, I'm not saying it's going to start dropping. Not at all. I believe it will still come back up and hit that level and solidify that touchdown with no doubt. With a nice spike, you know what I mean? But at the end of the day, it wasn't worth it. It was just a few points, and we had a nice profit on this whole campaign, which started back in like 10 days ago. So yeah, we introduced the Ripple today in the main video. That's the replacement for the Ethereum, because we see some more upside potential to 67.31. Having said that, there is an obstacle, 60.56, that's not been overcome yet. Right? I thought it was. Price action closed nicely above on the daily. But what we really need is the weekly breakout confirmation. We don't have that yet. We'll see how it goes. We might have to fold. We might have to close this out and run for the exit as quickly as we can, because this might be a big downside reversal. And that, of course, is true for the rest of the market, right? It's not like the Ripple is going to turn around and the rest of the market is going to march forward. That's not happening. So we're going to have to be quick on the trigger or get out of all of the positions we have. Let's see what's happening. Polkadot, is slightly losing right now. Slightly losing, but not too far away from the break-even point. Litecoin, slightly in profit. And a slight profit here, nothing to write home about. Also pretty close to break-even point. Then we have the Dogecoin, which you already took a very nice profit at 14.26. Nailed it. Boom. Got out of most of the position. And then decided to keep the position alive with one last trade, small one, because it broke above 13.87. But now we need it to break above 14.26 and not come off as it does today. So we'll see how it ends up today, and then we'll know, we'll be wiser. Last and not least, Bitcoin, of course. We've been killing it with the Bitcoin all the way up, taking profits left and right, and keep pushing more trades, smaller though, right? When we started with 10K and then another 10K. But as price action continued the run towards the target, we took those big trades, fat trades with fat profit on them, and we've replaced them with smaller trades, right? As close as price action to the target, the risk grow, right? The risk to reward ratio change for the worse. So you want to be heavy on the bottom, heavy at the beginning, and lighter at the top in case there's going to be a nasty technical correction just before price action hits the target, right? And we've seen that before. Yeah, stop loss level was adjusted to 61,500. And we got one last small trade of 5K. But if price action is going to change the mood here and starts to climb back up, we're going to throw in another fiver just before the target. That's the game plan. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed it today. We got, let me just sum it up, right? We got 5 active trades, 5 active positions in the cryptocurrency market, and 3 active positions in the Forex market. Altogether, 8 active positions. That's about that for the day. Enjoy the rest of it. We're going to be back tomorrow, same time, same place. Take care.